Hey guys, so welcome to my channel and I'm Grace. So today I'm gonna be doing like my usual everyday makeup. So like if you see this, like I love you so much. Like you found my video because this is my first video on my new channel. I had an old channel, but I'm gonna like, by this time it's still up, but I'm gonna delete it because I want a fresh start from everything. I'm gonna get into the video. Okay, so first, like for my everyday makeup, I always use this. Like this is the best. Like you do not even know how my skin has been so much better with this. Like if you don't have this, I recommend you go get this because it refreshes your face so much. Like, and it smells good. Like you can see like the other, like I don't know what the other flavors, no, that's not flavors, the other, I don't know what they're called, but yeah, there's like cucumber and then there's lavender and there's an orange one, I think. But yeah, so I use this and I spray it all over my face and I wait for it to dry. Okay, so if you're seeing this, like if my eye gets swollen halfway like through here, it's because like I haven't been sleeping that much. After that, I put on this SPF 30 by Murad. I don't know how to say this, but it's a moisturizer with SPF. So you know, in the summertime it's really important to put on because you don't want to end up with wrinkles or dark spots when you're older. So see, I put on a lot, and it's important to take care of your skin while you're still young. So like, what I like about this SPF, like this sunscreen, is because like it doesn't leave your face white. Because like if you put on other like sunscreens, like they always end up showing up whiter on your face for some reason. But like this is perfect. Like if you want to wear makeup under or something, like this is the best. So like in my opinion, this is one of the best SPFs. Like sure, it's like if you search it up, it's a little pricey, but I got this because my dad used to work at the company for a while, so he like got free stuff. So like, but he doesn't work there, so I can't get the stuff anymore, so sadly. Once I end up looking like I'm shiny as heck, I'm just gonna put on, well, I'm not gonna put on, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I use this Morphe brow and it's like $7. I don't know, like I'll see the price later. Like this, and I use an elf eyebrow dual brush. The first thing I do is my eyebrows. So like I have to clean off the excess from the last time I used it, so because I use this like every day, so I clean it off and then I go, and I'm in the shade chocolate mousse, yeah. So I like go in, like, you know, dip my brush, and like I use the back to like make it like the thing like finer. So yeah, and I take off the excess so it won't be too pigmented, and then I brush up my brows. Like I haven't done my eyebrows for a while because I'm trying to grow them out. So because you know it's almost gonna be school, so I want to be popping because I want my eyebrows to look good. So I take this under. I don't like press on it, like I just make a line under my brows, and I do the same thing on the other side, so like I can make them look even. After that, like I draw like little, like I don't really draw, I just kind of like make the end of my eyebrow a little bit darker, and then I do like the arch on the top. But after I do that, like I try to like blend everything out because I want my eyebrows to look like blocks, because like who likes that? I don't want to be that bitch who's like always like with eyebrow blocks. And then like I fill in the insides of here just like lightly with the excess, because Like that's, don't like make it too dark at the front to make it look more natural. I just like to make it here dark. But yeah, and then I do my eyebrows, and then I comb up first, and then I comb down to blend it more, and that's how I do my eyebrows. The next thing I do is I put on primer, and like before I never used to use primer, but this like primer has changed my life completely. Even if you just wear it alone, like it makes your skin look so good. Okay, I put too little, but you see, you don't have to buy like expensive primers or anything. Like this Maybelline one is good enough. It's the baby skin instant pore eraser, and it is so good. And I put this like around here, and then I spread it out to my cheeks. But like it makes such a difference if you wear primer or not. Like your skin looks so much smoother. So like I recommend like using primer because I've been doing my makeup for a while, and this is what I found like looks best. So if you don't have a primer, just go get one from your local drugstore. Okay, after that, like I use the BB cream by Maybelline too, because I'm not allowed to wear foundation because my mom has like she believes that like it's gonna ruin my skin and all. So I use this, like we compromise with this, because you know I have like discoloration sometimes, and I have like redness, so this is like the most natural thing. Like it's just moisturizer with tint. So shake it, and then like I put it on like directly. I don't know why. Okay, so I try to work with as little bit as possible because you know little goes a long way. And I forgot to wet my sponge, but I use sometimes the Mario Badescu to wet it. So yeah, and then like I pat it in. And the thing is like about this, like it looks white sometimes, but sometimes like for some reason like it blends into your skin color, so it ends up looking like your skin. Okay, so like my BB cream is all blended out, so I use, the next thing I do is I put on concealer, because I don't know, I don't really need it, but after like this summer, like I haven't been sleeping that well, so I put like a little bit under. I don't really have dark circles, but I like the brightness under the eyes so it can look even more awake. And then I take the same sponge and I blend it out. And I take the excess like and I rub it like around my nose because I have redness here. But yeah, and then I rub it on here. Like this is what I do, so like don't come at me for like looking at this weird, but sorry, it's hot. I do like I use bronzer on my eyelids, so I use this Rimmel by London, and it's in the shade Sunlight. I think it's too light for my skin, but I still use it. So I take like a crease brush and then tap it. You see there's a lot of excess powder, and I put it all over my crease. I just like how it looks on me because it makes my eyes look more defined. So I just like bring it in there. Okay, and I drag it out kind of to give like my eyes like a nice oval shape, like this. And sometimes I bring it under. And then just to make my nose look like slimmer, I take the same brush and just like drag it down. Then I take it like here, like under the nose. Oh, something's in my eye. Okay, but that's all I do with the bronzer. I think I do every single day, Like, don't look at me weird. I wear eyelashes every day because I love lashes. Like, it makes such a difference to the face. You guys don't even know. Like look at me right now. I look like a weird teenager who's like, I don't know. I look like I'm in middle school or something. Or do I? I don't know. I put on these lashes. I don't remember what lashes are they. So I use these Fox. I don't know how to say it. I don't know, these mink lashes by Ardell, and these cost me like $13, but they have lasted, like, I only used 2 pairs for like a whole year, so they have lasted me for a long time and they're still good. First I curl my eyelashes, curl them from the bottom. Like, I try to like curl them like in different places so they can stay like curved. I don't put on mascara for them, but sometimes like I put them on wrong so I look weird. Like, I use whatever eyeliner I get and it looks this, like with the, it's not like a gel, but it's like, it doesn't say, but this one's by Avon, but I like how it looks like. Okay, so my eyes end up looking like this, but yeah, so I do that because of curl, and I push my eyelashes up before I do it because I don't know, I just do that. So I take this green thing, I don't know what it's called, but it helps with like putting on like eyelashes because I can't do it with my fingers because I don't know, it just feels weird. I use this dual like eyelash glue that like dries really quickly, so like it saves me like a lot of time in the mornings when I have to like head out quickly. So it's this one. I only have to wait like a few seconds. Quick Set strip lash adhesive. I don't know how to say a lot of words, so sorry. Go on and I look downwards when I'm looking, like when I put on my lashes, so I put the middle and then I do like the end. And then I press this side together, use this side too. And since it dries quickly, like I just leave it there and do my other eyelash, so I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, so I finished putting both of them on, and that's all I do for my lashes, except like sometimes I curl them together. Kind of take it. Okay, wait, no, never mind. This one, because that one's still drying. Take it and I don't do it hard, like I just push softly at the base of my lashes just so they can stick together. So that like one of the things I do is put on like a little bit of highlight. So I take this brush. I don't know why I still carry this, but I don't know, weird. So I take this e.l.f. highlighter because, you know, drugstore is the best. But I like this highlighter because it looks so natural and all, and you can build it up to make it look better. I have this one in the shade Moonlight Pearls and in the pink one. I don't remember the shade, but it's also like pretty good. So like I take that, put that here, just a little bit, like just for an everyday glow, it's fine. I take it at the tip of my nose, just like kind of there. I like how it looks, so. And then I take another one over here, just here. And then like the final step that I like to do is like here. So that's all I do mostly for my makeup. Like I usually put on like lip glosses or something, so I have all these except this one. Like if I like it, like if I want to put on something more, I use this Milani Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream, and like this is the best like matte lipstick for like people who get dry lips all the time, which is like me. My lips are always dry, so I have to always put on Vaseline, even during the summer, during the winter, every freaking day, like put it on, because if not it dries out and it looks so horrible. But for an everyday, I use this e.l.f. like liquid lipstick, so it's just like clear. But I used either this, I used this Clinique like lip gloss too, like it looks like it has like a pretty pink color, or I use this Fenty Beauty, or sometimes like if I'm feeling like I want to put on like lipstick, I use this tiny ass MAC sample lipstick. It's the shade Velvet Teddy, and I love this shade so much. And I put on like one final spray of Mario Badescu, so okay, and that'll be all. And that's like my everyday makeup plus like one of these lip glosses, but that's it. This is my first video on this channel, on my new channel. Like yeah, if you guys like this video, like give me a thumbs up or something. Like I don't really care, but if you stuck through this whole video, I love you so much. I'll see you guys hopefully my next video. I have like so many new ideas. I'm starting out fresh, so yeah, this is like a goodbye for now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.